Guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 15 September 2021. Here this is the problem, triplets, same difference. They will pass an integer and they have give space separated an integer elements. We just need to find the triplets, which is nothing but which gives the exact same difference of three numbers. Like in this example output we getting 2 3 4, right? The difference between 2 and 3 is 1 and 3 and 4 is also 1. So this is a triplet. Likewise we just need to find all the triplets. If we can't able to find anything, we just need to put -1. Here there is no common difference in between all those values, right? So we just need to put -1. So let's how we are going to do that. First we just need to make a combination of each elements, like 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 8 2 12. After that we just need to make a combination. Okay, it will be 1 be 2, it will be 3, it will be 6, 10, and then we just need to make another pair of combination for the value 3. So it will be 3 minus 4, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 8, and 3 minus 12. So likewise we just need to make a combination for each and every values after the iteration of after the particular index. Like we will iterate the next index of 2. For 3 we will iterate from next index of 3. For 4 it will be the next, likewise. And then we just need to group all those values according to the difference. So if we sort all those values we will get something like this: 2 2 3 1, and then 3 4 1, 2 4 2. Like I am just sorting all those values according to the difference. Here we got 3 5 2, and then 2 5 3, which was the next smallest, 3 8 5, 3 8 5, and then 2 8 5. Actually this is 6, 2 12, sorry, 3 12 is 9, and 2 12 is 10. So if we done that, we just need to check the pairs which has the common difference. Here 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 are having a common difference. So we just need to check one more thing. This pair does have any common values, like here 2 3 3 4. Here 3 is common, so we can make that as a triplet. Here we are getting the same difference, 2 2, but 2 4 3 5. We are not getting any common elements in between them, right? So we can't able to make a triplet with that. Likewise we just need to check all the pairs. So if we done that, we will get the proper output like this. So if we can't able to find anything like that, like if we have extracted this 2 3 4 from this pair, right? So if we can't able to make such a pair, we just need to print -1. So simple, right? We'll solve this in a programmatical way. First, input part, n equal to integer value, int of input. Now it's time to get the list. List equal to list of map of in comma input dot split So I'm getting an input and I'm separating our elements by splitting all those values by space, and I'm typecasting each element as an integer through the help of map function. Finally, I'm storing as a list. Likewise, we have all set with the input. Now it's time to make the first step, which is nothing but making a difference pair, right? So difference equal to empty list. So for I in range of n minus 1, for j in range of I plus 1 comma n. So the loop what we are making here is, we are starting I value here. Okay, let me explain with the brush. So we are putting I value here and j value here, and this j will iterate from all the values next to I. So it will compare 2 with 3, 2 with 4, 2 with 5. If we have completed all the iteration, the I will be incremented to 3 and j will be started iteration from 4 to 12. And for this one, we will make iteration 4 to 12. Here it will be 5 to 12, 8 to 12, like that. So once we have matching pairs, we just need to store the difference. Difference equal to difference dot append of list. In this list, we will store I value, j value, and the difference. L of I, comma L of j, comma L of I minus j. So if we have done that, we can able to see the difference. Print of difference. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 1. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 12. That is nothing but, yeah, I have named that variable as list. So let me change all the cell into list. So once we have done, we can check the difference. Here we are getting 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 8, 2, 12, and 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 8, 3, 12, 4, 5, 4, 8, 4, 12, like that. We are storing all those difference, right? Now let me group all those values or sort all those values according to the difference. Difference is equal to sorted of difference with a key value. Here we just need to pass a function lambda x is to x of minus 1. We are looking for the last index value, right? Which is nothing but the difference. We are going to group all those values by difference, right? That's why I'm doing print of star of difference with the separation new line. So it will be easy to see the elements. Here we are getting all those values sorted by the difference. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, triple 1, like that, right? So now we just need to make a combination of all those values. We just need to check or group all those values according to the last digit, and we just need to check if 2, 3 and 3, 4 having a common element, 2, 3 and 4, 5 had a common element, like that. For that, we just need one more loop and one more list. I'm naming this list as pairs. Pairs equal to empty list for I in range of len of difference minus 1, for j in range of I plus 1 to len of difference. The same loop, right? The same functionality loop which we have used here, but with different conditions. If difference of I of last element is not equal to difference of j of last element, which is nothing but the difference. We don't need to compare with -1 to -2, right? We just need to group all those values which has a common difference, and we just need to check for the common pairs, right? That's why if we have found something else, we can just break the loop. Else we just need to make a condition if difference of I of 1, which is nothing but a second element, is equal to difference of j of 0, first element. Yeah, the element should be in common, like 2 3 and 3 4, because we are making the format with a shorter loop, right? So the element will be same for 0th index and first index if it has a common pair. So if it has a common pair, we just need to update the pair. Pairs dot happen of difference of I up to last index. We don't need the last index, right? Which is nothing but a difference. Plus what we just need is difference of j first index. Difference of j of 1. I am putting all this value as a list. Print pairs. Comma separation as new line. Passing the input. Pair is not defined. Yeah, this should be pairs. Yeah, I don't know why I'm having the bad typo now. So here we are getting 4 8 12 2 5 8 2 3 4 3 4 5, 4 elements, right? Here also the 4 elements, but these values are in a shorted order, right? So for that we just need to sort all those values. For I in shorted of pairs, print I. Two three four 258 345 4812, which is nothing but a expected output. So we are done with the first output. Now it's time to make a condition for the second output. We should print the pairs if pair has something. If pairs, do this. Otherwise, print -1. So this will work for the second output, which is nothing but 5 10 20 50 100. 5 inputs, 5 10 20 50 and 100. So now we are getting -1. So I think it's time to say that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope you understand what we are doing here. So if you are can't able to understand this, please let me know through the comments, so I will make something else. I will try to do something else to make you understand. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye. Wait a minute. We are having one more discussion here. So if you guys are interested in playing a game with me, which is kind of literally a programming game, ping me through the comments. So if I have valid count, I will make the game so we can play together, right?